All right. Hey guys. So I'm going to teach you how to create your own GIF. Now, I think GIFs are a lot of fun. Most of my students actually really enjoy making them. We're going to start by making a really simple GIF, and then I'm going to give you some challenges so that you can make some more complicated ones, or you can show me some of your creativity in making your GIFs, and then we can share them amongst the class. So, all right. Hopefully you've already watched the video of how, if it's pronounced GIF or GIF. I personally agree with the video, but I believe that some of you may disagree. But nonetheless, it's a fun one to watch. So if you haven't watched it, go back and take a look. So we're going to start by making a simple GIF right now, and then you're going to take what you learned from that and then make some more creative ones. So basically, we're going to start off within our CS Discoveries folder, and then I want you to make a GIFs folder, so new folder, and I want you to call it GIFs. So it's right here. Oops, get away from that. And then inside the GIFs folder, you're going to select new. I've already started one, but you're going to select new, and you're going to go down to more, and you're going to go to Google Drawings. So we're doing everything through Google Drawings. If you have Paint, you are welcome to use Paint and do the exact same thing, but most people will have their Chromebooks, so we can use Google Drawings. So I've already started creating, or at least I have opened a document that I've called GIF-1. So I want to make sure that you name yours GIF-1. The naming and the order is really important here. And then we're going to start by making a simple GIF based on shape. So I'm going to grab it. I think I'm going to make a shape of an arrow, but you can choose whichever one you want. But I'm going to just draw an arrow out here. It doesn't have to be too big. I'm going to change the color of my arrow. So I'll make it red. And then this is basically my first GIF. So this is my first image in the GIF that I'm about to create. So this is my first, and then I'm going to do this, and I'm going to make a copy. And then I'm going to change that from GIF1 to GIF2 and get rid of the copy of. I still want it saved in my GIFs folder, and I'm going to hit OK. So now I have a second GIF. And I want to make my GIF a little different, right? Because the idea of a GIF is to show the motion of the image. So I'm going to click on my arrow, and I think I'm going to change the orientation of the arrow. And then I think I'm also going to change the color. So I'll go here, and I'll do it in orange. And then that's my GIF, that's GIF2. So then I'm going to, just like I did before, File, make a copy. And I'm going to make GIF3. And I'm going to OK. So now I've got GIF1, GIF2, now I have GIF3. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to just change my orientation. So this is some super simple stuff here. And I'm going to change the color. So I think I'm going to go yellow. And then that's going to be GIF3. And then finally, for this particular GIF, we're just going to make 4 images so that we can walk through how this works. So then we go GIF4. And there we go. So now I have my 4 GIFs that I've created, which are really 4 images. So now what I want to do is I actually want to download each of those GIFs into my downloads folder, because then I'm going to use them and bring them into the GIF animator. So from GIF4, I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to download, and I'm going to download it as a JPEG image. And it's going to download. And then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to download GIF3 as a JPEG image. And it's going to download, and you can see them downloading. Oh, actually, maybe you can't. The screen is bigger, but there you go. You can see them right here. And then I'm going to do the same with GIF2. So I'm going to download JPEG, and I'm going to do download JPEG. So now I have 4 JPEG images that have been downloaded into my downloads folder. So now I have my downloads folder, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are the images that I'm going to be working with. And I'm pretty sure with the Chromebook you can download small things, so this should be enough to do. So from here, we are now going to go to the Gif Maker, which is called gifmaker.me. I've put the link to that as well into the Canvas assignment, so you can go back and just click on that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to upload those images to create our GIF. So I'm going to upload, and I want to actually go, that's an old GIF there, but I want to go to my downloads, and I want to upload 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to upload them, and I'm going to put them uploading into my GIF. Here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, where's my fourth one? Oh, shoot. I don't think I switched my fourth one to be something different. Well, and that's why we check that. See, mistakes always. All right, so let me just change this one. I didn't change that to my GIF 4, and I'll make that green. And then I'm actually going to File, Download into a JPEG. And then if I go back here, I have this one, so I'm actually going to get rid of that one because that's the old one. And then I'm going to go back to my Gif Maker here, and I'm not going to do anything with that. I'm going to re-upload. So I'm going to refresh so that I have nothing because I haven't done anything, and then I'm going to upload those images again. So this is good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here we go. So now my GIF, and I can start seeing how my GIF is working here. And I can change if I wanted to make it bigger or smaller, but I'm just going to leave it at a fairly small size. I can change the animation speed. I want it to go really quick, but I'm going to keep it a little bit slow so we can see it. That's maybe a little too slow. So we can actually see it moving. And it's going to, right now, 0 means it's on an infinite loop. If I wanted to, I could add different things. I've actually not tried the music, but that might be something you might want to try with your GIFs. And then at this point here, I'm going to create my GIF animation. So this is what I'm clicking. And as it's creating, it's going to open up here the ability to download your GIF. So this is where I'm going to download my GIF. And then what you'll see is if I go back into my downloads folder, and I'm going to just refresh my downloads folder. Right here, this is actually my GIF. So it's got a terrible name. I'm just going to double click it and then I'll go back and rename it. But if I double click it, it's going to open it up into Explore, and you're going to see, here's my GIF moving. So this is what I've created. But I don't like the name. I don't like the name of that. So because of that, I'm just going to go back into my downloads and I'm going to rename it. So I'm going to rename it Arrow GIF. And it's already a GIF image. So now when I double click it, there's my arrow GIF. So that is basically how you make a GIF. How quick is that? That did not take long. Your first assignment is to just create a geometric GIF. It could be arrows, it could be squares, it could be circles, it could be an arrow, square, circle. Up to you. Change the colors. Make it somewhat similar to what I did. And then we're going to start challenging each other and see how creative we can get with our GIFs. So from here, you would then go into the assignment and you would just upload, when it asks you to upload a file, you would upload that file that you just downloaded as your upload into Canvas. So have fun with this. I'm looking forward to checking out your GIFs as we go along. See you later.